And welcome to this video where we are given this diagram, and there are a few cases where one of the unknowns we are required to find. For example, for part A, the area of this trapezium ABCD is the thing that we are required to find. So I'm going to just make sure that you all can see that A and B is actually the parallel sides. Okay, and the height is my H, which is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. And with that, I could easily find my area, because area of a trapezium is equals to half times the sum of the parallel sides times the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. So from here you can see easily that I could tap on this formula for part A. So for part A, it will be half times 7 plus 10 times 8, where the sum of the parallel side is 7 and 10, and 8 is my height. This then will give me a value of 68 cm square. Now for part B though, using this formula, then you can see that, hey, how can I find my height, which is the green color, given the area? Well, I'm going to zoom in so that we can see this easily, that half. Let me make my handwriting a little bit easier. So half times 5 plus 9 times my H, which I don't know, is now equals to 42. Okay, so this becomes like an algebra question, solving this equation. So I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides so that I can eliminate the denominator here, and my parallel side, 5 plus 9, the sum will be 14. I still have my H. My H is still here, and this one will be equals to 42 times 2. So 14H is equals to 84, and I'm going to divide by H on both sides, so that my H will be equals to 84 divided by 14 to give me 6. So it will be 6 cm. Moving on, you can then see that eventually we are going to solve a lot of equations. So for this, I will have half. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Half times 13 plus B. B is the side, one of the side that I'm not too sure. We are supposed to find times 14. And this one will be equals to 231. Well, I saw that half times 14, this can give me 7. And I'm going to divide by 7 on both sides, so that the 7 can divide off, and I'm left with 13 plus b equals to 231 divided by 7. That would be 33. And yep, I'm going to minus 13 on both sides to give me a final answer of 20. In this case, it's meter. And for part D, now A is the missing unknown, one of the parallel side. So you can see that the working is largely similar to part C. Okay, times 10 the height, and this is equals to 85. So for those who can't see clearly, this is my sum of parallel side, this is my height. Same goes for part C. Okay, and from here, then I can see that I still have my 85 here. But I could half times 10 first to make my left hand side slightly less complicated, simpler. That gives me 5. And then I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides, so that here can divide off. I'm left with a plus 11. 85 divided by 5 is 17. And I'm going to minus 11 on both sides. A 6 meter. With that, we've come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.